Hi, welcome back to the channel and happy Freedom Day. Yes, that's right, it's the 12th of April 2021 and we're all free again. Sort of. So at least we can get away in our caravans and motorhomes and camper vans and so on and so on. We've been a bit quiet the last couple of weeks because I haven't been feeling my best. My mum's not been very well, and last weekend was Easter weekend and I was working right the way through the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Got to the Saturday, hadn't even got in my cab before had a little bit of an incident with a delightful young lady with a pram and two kids who decided to spit at me because I couldn't get out of her way quick enough for her to get past with her pram. So a little bit of an incident, but you know, before it even started work, being assaulted, being spat at like that. So I haven't really felt my best for the last few days, but we're back up and running now. I've had a little bit of a break this weekend, my 4-day weekend, been a long weekend. Thanks to everybody that's joined the channel over the last few weeks, even though we haven't been putting much out. We've been doing a few lives. We've got another one coming up on Monday, as you can see the picture there. We've got one on on Wednesday at 7:30 p.m, so it's a bit of a better time, so hopefully more of you will be able to join us. We're going to have a little chat with Paul Robson from Rolling with the Robsons, so if you're new to caravaning and you've got a family, we're going to be chatting all things caravan and motorhome related with a family, so some of you may find something interesting out there, so hopefully you can join us 7:30 on Wednesday. So what have we got coming up? Well, I've got a few videos planned in the next couple of weeks. We can't actually get away in our caravan till May the 7th, so we're going away to Blakemere again. Nice easy site to get to, so we're just having to do a few jobs on site, like flushing the system out with PuraClean, etc. It's far easier to do it on site because there's no water on our storage, unfortunately, so we'd have to take it all with us, and it's just easier to do it on site. So we'll be purifying our water system on site. It's a lot easier. So that's what we've got coming up in the next few weeks. So hopefully you'll be able to join us on Wednesday as well, have that little chat. So we are back. We haven't got anywhere. Thanks for sticking with us. It's just been a really tough time. I think it's been a tough time on everybody. I think everybody's struggled in one way or another, but you know, working through Easter wasn't great, but to have to go through that, it wasn't very pleasant. So thanks to everybody that sent me messages of support and hope I'm feeling better. I am feeling better. I'm you know, just one of those things, you know, it's not very nice experience, but I ended up going back on the Sunday and working all day on the Monday, 10 hours, but it is what it is. Anyway, that's in the past, so I just want to wish everybody, enjoy your holidays, continue keeping safe, and until the next proper video, thanks very much for sticking with us. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you very, very soon. Ta-ra.